In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your microphone on Discord. So if your microphone is not working or you just need to enable it, here's what you should do. So first, go to user settings in the bottom left hand corner, then scroll down here and you're looking for voice and video. Once you've found that, you need to go to voice, input device, then change your input device to your microphone that you wish to use. So if your microphone is plugged in, you will see it here. Go ahead and select the microphone you want to use. For this, I'll just use my HD webcam mic. We can go ahead and select that. Now, once you've done that, exit out of this. And then if you go to the voice settings, just make sure that you're not muted. Then if you click on input settings here, this arrow, you should see the input device that you've chosen listed here. If you've done all of that, you should then be able to use your microphone. If you still can't use it and it's still not working, I would go back to user settings, I'd go to voice and video, and I'd just make sure that input mode is set to voice activity and not push to talk. This will pick up all of your voice activity and use your microphone whenever you're in a call. And then there's more settings which you can customize, but those are the basics, and that is how you can enable your microphone.